Hi runners, today we are going to do a hike from Springleaf Nature Park to Sembawang Hotspring. Starting off at Springleaf Nature Park is a nice place with a long river, and we happen to see quite a number of interesting creatures and flowers around. After exiting Springleaf Nature Park, we'll be taking a long trek along Sembawang Road. Nothing very interesting, but there's a lot of construction due to the north-south highway. There's quite a lot of people at Sembawang Hot Spring, and when you dip your toes inside the hot spring, do watch out where is the hotter temperature and where is the cooler temperature. You can even cook eggs using the egg cooking station.